Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add new group in Notion. So let's get started. Access the grouping options. Open your Notion workspace and navigate to the board where you want to add the Add a New Group button. Locate the three dots icon in the top right corner of the board interface. Click on the three dots icon and then select the group option from the drop-down menu. Under the group option, choose how you want to group your items. In the video, the presenter selects Group By, then Options. Next, you'll need to add a new property. Click on Properties and then add a property. From the Properties menu, select New Property and choose Multi-Select. Once the Multi-Select property is added, go back to the Grouping options. Choose to group by the newly created Multi-Select property. After setting the grouping method to Multi-Select, you should now see the Add a New Group button on your board. Now, you can create new groups by clicking on the Add a New Group button and giving them appropriate names. Drag and drop the items into the newly created groups to organize your board effectively. That's it for this video.
If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!